Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check-in stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone numbers are in the description below. Please check those numbers out and give them a call every day. Blow those numbers up. Don't give those people a minute's rest. I know that they're out on recess right now, but still call those numbers, and you can also get their local numbers also and call them. Okay. The $2,000 plus stimulus check. People say I'm crazy. I still feel optimistic about it. I really think we're going to get it. It's just a matter of when and how much longer are they going to make us wait. A lot of people say that we're not getting it. A lot of people think I'm crazy for saying it. But I'm warning you, I love to say I told you so. Y'all, today is going to be a short video because of the holiday and the fact that the Senate is out to play right now, so it's not really a lot going on. But I do have two things at the end that I want to pass by you. I need your opinion on, so be sure and check that out. Charlie Gasparino, that's a name, ain't it? Said that the lobbyists and Congress are now saying that it may be September before we get another round of stimulus, because they see things as being really good and really coming back fast. Where in the hell are they looking at? They're not looking in my neighborhood. They want to wait and see what they have to take out of this package and what we really need. Hello, we need stimulus checks. That's all we need. And how convenient. The farther they push it out, the closer they are to election. They're going to wait until the last minute, then they're going to give us something good, thinking that that's going to boost their chances of being reelected. Not for me, it won't. Y'all, that's really all I got on the stimulus, but I do got two things here I want to pass by you. First of all, several people has commented that I never smile in my videos and I look real sad and I look down. I am not down. This is my happy face. Y'all, when you've gone through chemo and radiation, most of the time you don't ever get all your energy back. So if I look down, I am not. I'm happier than I've ever been in my life. I feel better than I've ever felt in my life. I am smiling inside where it counts. But I'll try to do better. Okay. Y'all, as you know, I've been posting other little videos along with the stimulus videos. And I've been thinking about making a new channel. But I want your opinion on it. I need your input. I'm not going away from the stimulus things. I'll still be doing those every day, like I said from the beginning. I'm going to do them every day until it's over, and then I will start on my business stuff on this channel. But my other channel that I'm thinking about making is like a daily vlog video. It will show a little more of the personal side of Walter Weyburn. I know you're all interested in that, aren't you? It will just give you a little more insight of who I am, things that I like to do. But it will be a daily video. But what I'm wondering is, would y'all rather see me create another channel for that or put them on this channel here? And would you watch them? Or if I do another channel, would you subscribe to it and would you watch those videos? There's no need in doing them if nobody's going to watch them. No need in making another channel unless people's going to subscribe to it. So let me know what you think. Should I do another channel or just do them here? Whatever y'all want, that's what I will do. And y'all, please get those numbers and call and come back every day. I make these videos every morning. They released at 6 a.m. every morning. And just know I love you all, and this is my happy face. Ciao.